Good day guys, welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Discord limited access. So first you need to check your settings. So open up your Discord. Now let me leave this call right here. Go into user settings and then navigate to my account. After that, if you have it, in my case I don't, look for the age group field. So if this says unverified, your access is restricted for this reason. And then just click verify. You'll need to do a face scan or video selfie or a ID scan. Discord uses these biometric checks to verify you meet the safety requirements. And then once completed, your limited access status will be lifted, usually within 10 minutes. If you already verified but still limited, you've likely been flagged for suspicious behavior, like joining too many servers at once. So click the Regain Access Here button. Let me show you where. So we have Regain Access right. As you can see, this blue text, just click on that. And this opens up a specific support ticket. Do not submit multiple tickets, that resets your cooldown timer. And then just wait for 24 hours. Also, you can try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile. This resets your IP address and that could help as well. And after this, your account should be back and in good standing. If this Discord fix helps you today, smash like and subscribe.